welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is my third video on my new YouTube channel. And today it's all going to be about my final choice for the van that I picked for the next year of traveling, and maybe more, maybe less, who knows. You know when you start, but you don't know when you stop. So there's so many choices of vans. You know it if you're shopping for one. So I went from a brand that's called Panoramic. Actually, this company originates from Quebec, Canada. It was just pure luck that one evening I was surfing on YouTube and I found actually the president or the owner of the company that was touring one of those vans, and he had an accent similar to mine, and I thought, that's interesting, and I found out that they were made in Quebec. Now, they've been selling them in the States for 2 years or 3 from Canada, but now they're building a manufacturer in California. I bought the van in Atlanta. I flew there last Saturday, and a friend of mine, well, my best buddy actually, flew to Atlanta, and I got him from there, and the next day we went to Savannah, and then we drove back 7.5 hours. Today I'm giving you a tour of the van. I'm telling you why I love it so much, and I'm so glad I went for a van, for me, a Class B instead of a small RV, because of the fact that I can go anywhere. I mean, I've been driving this thing around for the past 8 days now, and I had to go to the clinic, to the hospital. I had to go for my knee. If you watch my second depressing video, I had a teared ligament, just if you've been following this. So I'm still healing from that. But so I park at the grocery stores everywhere in my complex where I currently live right now until I take off in June. The view that you have when you're driving, you're sitting so high. And of course, in the curbs, you have to go a lot slower, and you have to give yourself time to stop when you see a red light or traffic. So it's just adapting, the brain adapting to this new way of driving, because I used to have a Subaru Outback, which I sold because I'm selling everything. That's what I said. That's the plan, and that's what I'm doing, so I can just minimize and just bring the essential, me, my dogs, clothing, food, silverware, things like that. I would like to thank everyone that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. I love your comments. It's great to have a community where we can exchange. All right, let's start the visit of my new home on wheels.
So here it is. That's a Ram ProMaster 2025 Panoramic. That's the camper built, but the actual vehicle is built in 2024. So I got a great deal on it. The quality of the build of this company, of this Class B, is outstanding. I really love this big screen and the backup camera. Very easy 3D to back up. I bought a women's makeup mirror because there's no mirror on the visor, just a regular car mirror, but it's an electronic one with a camera to see in the back. The seats are all leather, so I put a very affordable cover on them for $20. So look at this build. European design, inspired from RVs in Europe. I know Panoramic goes there every year to look at the designs and inspire themselves. The table's great, different positions. You can really play with that. And it turns into a bed for my puppies, for Abby and Sam. It's going to be a great place for them to sleep and to hang out during the day. They're going to love it. And of course, storage everywhere. Everywhere you could fit storage, Panoramic did it. I'm impressed. Even under the table, there's storage hidden. This is above the driver and the passenger. It's very, very deep. It doesn't convey, but it's very deep up there. And the sunroof for ventilation is great, for light. It's big, very well designed as well. So I'm loving that, loving that. Of course, you have a screen for the bugs and a sun visor. The lighting is great. Ambiance is wonderful. It's all dimming, so the kitchen can be extended, as you can see there. And all the drawers are all soft closed. And of course, they lock after that. So they spared no expense into designing this. And if you've been shopping for them and you know, if you ever see a panoramic, you'll see how the quality is. The TV can, move 180 degrees. You can watch it from the kitchen. You can watch it from your bed, from the bedroom. I went for propane instead of induction, and I'm really glad I did for my own reasons. Nice deep sink. Love it. Love it. Also a microwave, of course, it's a must, when you want to reheat last night's dinner, leftover. 3 large, very large drawers right there. I'm going to put all my pots and pans there. And here there's a little closet. I can hang some shirts in there and shoes in the back, on the bottom. That is really good. The fridge was another selling point. Look at that size. A lot of Class B only have half a fridge. So I didn't want to have to go to the grocery stores every 2 days. It's okay. The freezer is okay. I mean, it's not a big, large camper, but it's great. A wine cellar. And look at that pantry, you guys. Look how large it is. Put a lot there. A lot. And it just goes back and it's hidden. It's a wet bath. It's large enough. I've seen a lot worse in Class Bs. Very high end again. The material in there is wonderful. And of course, being a wet bath, everything you do in there goes in a big tank under the van. So that's great. Large, very large tank. Windows. It's not called panoramic for nothing. There's windows all around. You just set up your curtains, you take your shower, and voila. And behind that little picture frame, you got a mirror. The garage is good. I'll show you from the outside. There we go. Good size. I still have to organize everything. I'm getting there slowly. And of course, more storage. Large, deep storage there. So I'm loving that. I put the curtain here just for show, but obviously I'm not going to have it. I don't need it. Storage on both sides of the bed there. So more clothing will go there. I decided to go for a sleeping bag with a sheet inside. So you can just wash the sheet and not the whole sleeping bag. So I didn't want to have to make a bed every day. All the proper controls are all next to you in the bedroom. The heater, the lighting and everything. So you don't have to get up to turn off all the lights or to start the heater. That's great. So on the roof, you got 2 panels, 200 watts each for solar, and 3 batteries of 200 amp hour each. So overall, I'm loving it so far. So if you have any questions, ask in the comments and I'll be happy to discuss anything about the van, whether it's pricing or other questions. Thank you guys. Until next time, take care.